Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to have that perfect looking skin every day without using makeup. It is just going to be skincare mainly, and please stay tuned till the end of the video to see some real results. So the first thing that I do is I spritz some aloe vera face mist on my face. This is my favorite part because it helps in hydrating my skin, and aloe vera also has aloesin which helps in fading away dark spots. The second step is vitamin C toner. I make sure that I include vitamin C in form of moisturizer or toner in my skincare routine, as it has lots of antioxidants which is good for your skin, and it also helps in delaying the signs of aging. Now, the third part is going to be some watermelon mist. I know that I have already used mist, but this helps in giving me such glowy skin, and with layering each product, guys, you will be able to see your skin becoming better, and as your skin become better, hydrated and moisturized, it definitely starts to glow and look better. Next up is going to be face serum, guys. Here I am going to be using arbutin serum, which helps in fading away dark spots and pigmentation. You can use any skin serum which is suitable for your skin type and your skin concern. It definitely helps in giving me brighter skin. So yes, I make sure that I use it every day in my skincare routine. And with each product, guys, you guys can have a look at my face, how hydrated and moisturized it is looking. And as your skin become hydrated and moisturized, it definitely looks so much better.
So now guys, I want to talk about some amazing and stunning lipsticks I've got, and these are from Rene, and this is the first time I've used their brand, and believe me guys, I felt in love with this. The shade which I'm wearing right now on my lips is a very pretty red shade which is gonna suit all the Indian skin tones. It just brightens up your face instantly, and I'll tell you why I love these. These are completely non-drying formula. It doesn't feel heavy on your lips, which is very essential for me. It is smudge proof and it stays intact on your lips for good 5 to 6 hours, and also it doesn't transfer. So even if you are wearing your mask or even if you're drinking or eating, it is gonna stay right there. I will show you guys that it really doesn't transfer. So you can have a look. There is nothing on the lips right now. It doesn't transfer at all. It is non-drying, and it has already been 3-4 hours since I'm wearing it, and I feel absolutely amazing. And what I do is when I apply it, I take a little bit at the back of my hand and just dab it on my cheeks as well, and it helps in giving you that monochromatic look which I absolutely love. Okay, so right now I am going to be showing you all the swatches, and I also want to tell you guys which are my favorite color, and these are going to look absolutely stunning on all Indian skin tones, guys. And the colors which are my favorite is, first of all, is going to be Desire for Brown, and the second one is going to be Hunger for Berry, which is going to be somewhere between pink and red, and also that is going to be dark shade. The Desire for Brown is going to be a very nudish kind of a brown color, and the Rage of Red, which I'm wearing right now, it is instantly gonna lift up your entire face. So these three are gonna be my favorite shades.
Next up, guys, I'm gonna be using this ginger and honey moisturizer. I skip this step in summers, but it is a very heavy moisturizer, I'll tell you, because my skin get extremely dry in winters. So it is very essential for me to put on something which helps in moisturizing my face throughout the day, and it doesn't look dull and dry. After that, guys, I am gonna be following it up with a concealer. Now, it is definitely not a concealer which is gonna harm your skin. It is a kind of a makeup which also has skincare. So this is a concealer which has coconut oil base, and I'm gonna apply it little bit under my eyes. It is not gonna be harmful for your skin. The brand is cruelty free and also vegan. So yes, I loved it. Next up, guys, I will be applying tint. Now what it does is it helps in adding a little bit color to your face, and if you have pigmented lips, then red color is going to cancel it out. I will also apply a little bit on my cheeks, and the best part about this tint is, guys, it looks very natural. This is my favorite tint. Believe me, I have used a lot of them, but this just worked great for me. and I'm gonna dab it all over my cheeks and a little bit on my lips, and I'm good to go. Now this step is very essential, guys. It helps in opening up your eyes and also helps in making your eyelashes fuller without the use of mascara. So just curl them up and it is definitely gonna make them open up instantly, as you guys can see the difference. After that, I just take a little bit of Vaseline. It helps in clumping them together and also helps in adding a little bit of density to the eyelashes, if that is the word. But yes, it definitely makes my eyes look better, and Vaseline also helps in adding density to your lashes. After that, guys, I'm gonna follow up it with a lip balm because it helps in moisturizing and hydrating my lips. And this is the look, guys. I am done without using any kind of makeup. This is how I attain beautiful, hydrated, and glowing skin every day. This makes you look put together without using any kind of harmful chemicals or makeup on your face, and you can use these tricks every day to look beautiful. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope the tips were helpful. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.